18. un 19. maijā Baltijas pētniecības centrs sadarbībā ar Norvēģijas vēstniecību, Latvijas žurnālistu asociāciju, Polijas Republikas vēstniecību un Sorosa fondu tika rīkota konference saistībā ar pētniecisko žurnālistiku, kur Latvijas un ārzemju pārstāvji dalījās ar savu pieredzi un sasniegumiem dažādos pētnieciskos projektos. Galvenais šīs konferences mērķis bija vairāku valstu attiecību uzlabošana un žurnālistu sadarbības pastiprināšana.
Šī konference, protams, galvenā auditorija bija paši žurnālisti, un tie mērķi bija divi galvenie. Viens ir iepazīt vienam otru, tāpēc bija gara kafijas pauze, lai varētu aprunāties un būt kaut kādi kontakti. Un otrs bija parādīt idejas un metodas, ko mēs katrs savā valstī darām. Tādā ziņā, es domāju, šī konference neko nemainīs. Es domāju, ka varbūt arī daudz cilvēku tā arī domā, ka, ko es te atnācu vispār, jau varbūt tam nebija nekāds jēgas. Manā dzīvē pierādījās, ka reizēm paiet kaut kāds varbūt mēnesis vai pat gads, un tad pēkšņi man vajag tieši to cilvēku vai ienāk prātā kaut kāda ideja, ko esmu redzējis tieši šajā pasākumā.
What was, in your opinion, the most interesting thing in this conference?
Me, of course. My speech, I think, was incredibly gripping. I showed great charisma, charm, as well as a huge depth of knowledge. And I was very impressed with my delivery techniques as well. I thought I came across well. I made people laugh and showed them a few new tricks. I was very impressed with myself. But I spent a lot of time preparing yesterday, so I missed a lot of yesterday's. But also I was impressed with Amanda just now. And the last guy that was on was fantastic. I loved the way that he put together that presentation. It was very dynamic. Yeah. And also I'd never seen BuzzFeed before, so it was good to see that.
The best thing, I think, was that we could talk together, the journalists from different countries.
Everything was quite interesting and exciting. The guests really showed the results of their investigation. So perhaps maybe I was impressed by the investigation of Snorri's Bank. Yeah, so it was really impressive.
I really enjoyed the collaboration between the three countries and that discussion. I thought it was very enlightening because I'm not from this region. So I liked seeing not only their different viewpoints, but their different personalities. You know, someone was more quiet, someone was more aggressive, and someone didn't say anything at all. So I thought that was a nice insight. And then I also really appreciated the talk from the BBC guy, because those are tips that we can all use, whether you're a journalist or not. I'm really scared about my Facebook tracking number now. I'm going to learn how to cover that up. Yeah, me too.